Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you the books I used during my undergrad and I'll be sharing some experiences with them. But before we start, please hit the subscribe button and let me know if you like the video. So let's start with the biggest book I used during my undergrad. I think you knew that this would be coming, and this is Advanced Math. Now in all engineering courses, I think you will use math, and because you need calculus 1, 2 and also 3, and same goes with aerospace engineering. So you need a lot of maths. But before you get overwhelmed, let me tell you something. I didn't have to use this book much, although it doesn't mean that you don't have to use this at all. Why I didn't use this? Because we had this online website where we used to get tutorials and worksheets that covered all the topics we needed for exams or knowledge we required. So math is really important, and you need to excel in math if you are going to pursue aerospace, mechanical or any relative engineering. So next we have the one and only Engineering Thermodynamics. Well, this book was actually very hard for me, but nevertheless this is also very important and you will have to study it a lot. I don't know, for some people in thermodynamics is not that hard, but for us, or for especially me, it was pretty hard. Maybe it was because of professor, or I wasn't really excited for this subject as I was for others. But you will need this a lot and you will need to study it hard. Next we have Control Engineering. Now this book you'll be using especially for MATLAB and some of the control equations, stuff like that. But let me tell you something. For MATLAB, I think you should try online tutorials. They are much better than the book and you will learn a lot quicker than you will learn from the book. So again, this is also important. Now I had more books, but it's been a while since I graduated, so I could only find these up till now. But there were two more books which were very important. Materials. Now material is very important in aerospace because you will need to require to understand the types of materials, stress and strain, the stuff you learned in your high school, but taking it in more advanced level. So it was really important, and I actually had my thesis on materials. Not specifically on materials, but my thesis had to do much with materials, and if I didn't have material course in my undergrad, I would be struggling with it. So that's again very important. And last but not least, there was workshop book. Now in workshop you will be required to learn the types of tools such as wins, or they will teach you how to do drilling and all basic stuff. You will be required to do some practical projects such as riveting. Now riveting is very important in aerospace. Especially in aircrafts, you will notice they usually rely on riveting. So these were the books I used during my undergrad, but this does not certainly means that these are the only books you will be required. There were other subjects such as aerospace, aerodynamics and about engines. But for those we didn't really have textbooks, we used online PowerPoint and lectures. We relied on that. So these were the books I used during my aerospace engineering. Let me know what books did you use if you graduated and if you are currently pursuing bachelor's or even master's. So let me know in your comments below. It will help a lot. And thank you for watching. I'll meet up with you guys in my next video.